Hey, we back, hey, we back, hey, I'm sore, hey, my forearm's sore, man. Hey, we back, man. We're back with another reaction today, and today, we are back with Younghead Bird, alright? Younghead just dropped another song. Every single time Younghead drops a song, I always try to react to it, but let's get into it. This is Bird, so if you've never been on my channel before, subscribe, thumbs up, join the Discord, let's go. You can't really hear the vocals, and it's probably just because of the speaker. But overall, he produces all his own shit. I like the vibe of this. This sounds like some Dave Matthew Band type of shit. I like it. You'll probably hear better with headphones.
Let's go back to the better days. Let's go back to the better days. Let's go back to the better days.
I really like all the layers and shit. I really like what he's doing with his voice in here, like with the layers of the voice, and it's different. I like it. He's showing versatility that he can make real music. I really like Beck. That was like the last time I think I reacted to him. I really like Beck. Beck was really good. Like, I felt like that was original. And it was sort of like his own style that he's created for himself, but it's like to the max at the highest level so far. Which, that's why I really like Beck. But I like this song too. This is chill. I bet with headphones in, the vocals are gonna sound even crazier.
Let's go back to the better days. 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 Let's go back to the better days.
Hey, shit sound like a Santana guitar. Yeah, man, that dude, he's talented. To be so young, he's really good. Like, I feel like he has hella potential to make real songs. My forearms are hurting, man. I've been lifting weights a little bit and this shit hurt. But yeah, man, shout out to Younghead. Keep killing it. Keep being creative. I feel like you're standing out. I hope to see you like big. I hope to see you playing like big shows and shit. But subscribe, thumbs up, join the Discord. I know this reaction is short, but the song is short, so I mean there's not really much to say other than I like the production. I like the way he used his voice and how he layered it. I like the little jingles, or the little, I don't know what it's called. It's like the, whatever you put on the beat, it sounds like a magical thing. I have to just listen to the song, you'll see what I'm saying. But overall, I like the song. Yeah, man, I'm gonna try to give y'all more detailed reactions, just because I feel like sometimes I can give more detailed reactions. Sometimes just bounce in my head, and I need to give more detailed reactions. So anyways, this is what I like about this song. Subscribe, thumbs up, join my Discord. Hey, we back, man. Hey, we back.